English-Russian listening and speaking practice for beginners from YouTube channel English with Наталья Алексеевна. Вы на канале «Английский с Натальей Алексеевной». Прослушайте предложения на английском языке.
I've got blue eyes.
Tim's got 2 sisters. Our car has got 4 doors.
Diane isn't feeling well. She's got a headache.
They like animals. They've got a horse, 3 dogs, and 6 cats.
Повторяйте предложения на английском языке. Выбирайте скорость, которая вам подходит.
Blue eyes.
I've got blue eyes.
Tim's got 2 sisters.
Tim has got 2 sisters.
Our car has got 4 doors.
Our car has 4 doors.
Diane isn't feeling well.
Diane isn't feeling well.
She's got a headache.
She's got a headache.
They like animals.
They like animals. They like animals.
They've 3 dogs and 6 cats.
They've got a horse, 3 dogs, and 6 cats. А сейчас повторите русские предложения. Так вы запомните лучше перевод с английского на русский.
I've got blue eyes.
У меня голубые глаза.
Tim's got 2 sisters.
У Тима есть 2 сестры.
Our car has got 4 doors.
У нашей машины 4 двери.
Diane isn't feeling well.
Диана не чувствует себя хорошо.
She's got a headache.
She's got a headache. Headache. Головная боль. She's got a headache. У нее болит голова.
They like animals.
They like animals. Они любят животных.
They've got 3 dogs and 6 cats.
They've got 3 dogs and 6 cats. У них есть 3 собаки и 6 кошек. Thank you for your attention.